Welcome to the Polished Phoenix, the home of nail art, product reviews, tips and tricks and more.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have something from MelodySusie. It's something which is part of their new releases of they've got a new gel polish set, and the bottles are designed to stand at an angle and make it easier. So this is like a really helpful desk organisation thing. Now, if you've been here before, you will know I have a habit of I will leave my bottles like that with the lids undone. I'll forget they're undone, I'll go to pick them up to move them, and then I end up with gel polish everywhere. So when Wendy sent me the email and said, would you like to have a look at this? And I was like, oh my god, this was like invented for me. So first of all, you always get these whenever you order or get a delivery from MelodySusie. They do some amazing gels. You've got your plant-based, you've got your thick gels, faster UV curing gels, HEMA-free gels. My last video was with MelodySusie gels that they sent me, and they are amazing. Also the nail art liner brushes, I got those in my last package from Wendy, and they are fab, and I clean mine with acetone and they've done brilliant. Obviously the main thing that everybody knows them for is their e-files, dust extractors and lamps. They're all amazing. I've had MelodySusie e-files for years, been put through the paces, and they're just always brilliant. There are all of their socials, so they're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and Facebook. There's the website melodysusie.com, and if any issues, you can email them, support@melodysusie.com. I have a 12% discount code which will get you 12% off across the website, which is Phoenix12, but all links and everything will be in the description box below. And you always get some pretty stickers, and these are new. So they got the new little gel polish bottles on there, the new lamp. They're cute. These are going to get stuck all over my drawers behind me, which has got all of like my charms and everything in. So this is what we've got: the gel polish bottle holder and holder organizer. So it's a Carousel rotatable nail art DIY station, and it looks super cool. Comes in 3 colours: purple, pink and brown. Can you guess which colour that is? Okay, so put that to the side. Okay, so this is the main part of it, and then you get these. You get 3 of these. So these are silicone, flexible, but they're shaped so they're sturdy as well. I've previously had like silicone bottle holders to have things on your desk, but when it comes to things like this sort of shape, or this, they don't fit in them. But these, so you can have it up straight, you can have them at an angle, you can have them on your desk, you know, they're going to be nice and safe in those holders like that. So it's not going to fall over, and it's just easy to just grab your brush and paint away. So that's fabulous. But there, so this, it has a weighted base. It's got a non-slip pad on there, and as you can see, it spins. So there's plenty of space in there for you to put. So that's my rhinestone grabber thing. These are the liner brushes from MelodySusie. They're gorgeous, look at them. That's what I use for my rhinestone glue, little flashy lamp, and my clean up brush. So So they're all in there. And then if you don't want to have these just sitting on your desk, you can put them in there like so. So then you can just spin it as you need it. I think that is bloody brilliant. So I put my little alcohol dish in there. I'm always knocking that over. I use that for cleaning my brushes when I'm doing art. So that in there is absolutely fine. And then even with these in, they fold up like that. So you can just have it on your desk. Like I say, you could have it folded up. You don't have to have these hanging down, and just take out one. Stick whatever it is you need in it. There you go. There's so many options for it. I think it's brilliant. I really, really like it. And then obviously as well, there's so you've got all your bottles in there. So you can literally just pick it up and move it if you need to. Oh, pick up the whole thing. You can move it all in one go. I think brilliant. And it's really smooth when it spins as well. Oh, right, so a few more details then. So like I say, it comes in 3 colours. Obviously I chose purple, but there is the pink and a brown. It's a dark brown. So it helps to eliminate accidental spills, which I do a lot. Structural design of the Eiffel Tower, apparently. The golden ratio. That's obviously just down to its balance, isn't it? So you've got stable counterweight. You can add stickers to it to decorate it. Like I say, it's easy to pick up and just move the whole thing if you need to. And at the moment, it's normally $49.99. It's on offer at $35.99. I mean, you could get loads more in there. Loads more. How fab is that? So there we go. That is the amazing GelCarousel rotatable nail art DIY station. I will link it in the discount, not in the discount, in the description box below. I think it would be a nice little Christmas present for somebody, and it comes in a nice box as well. You know, somebody who's doing the nails at home, in a salon, for anyone really. Be a nice little add-on treat. And then why not get them some nail art brushes at the same time, those liners. Like I say, I clean mine in acetone and they do good, and they're really nice and smooth to work with. So there it is. You can sit there and play with it all day. But I will link it. Don't forget to use my discount code. I don't know if the discount code will work on it with it being on a sale, but you know, if you're planning on getting anything else, if you're going to take a look at the gels as well, the gels are bloody fab, gorgeous, and that red is just gorgeous for Christmas. So yeah, so go check it out. Thank you, Wendy, for sending me this. It will be on my desk. It will be very helpful, and maybe I can like keep my mat for a bit longer instead of spilling it. Like the other day, honestly, I had white gel polish everywhere because I did it. I always do it, especially with base and top coats. I never do the lids upon them, even with stamping as well. This will be handy for stamping, because obviously you have your polished bottles, you're in and out. You don't necessarily need to do the lids up, but you can get 2 of those in there. So, and obviously you can put them in there, or you can put them on there. That's not going to fall. I just think it's genius, absolute genius. So let me know what you think down below. And like I say, it's only a quick one, but yeah, fabulous gift idea. Thank you, Wendy. Everything's linked down below. Thank you, bye bye.